Hi there, I hope you're fine. So in this video, we're gonna see what are the books that you need and how to prepare your notebooks or copybooks. So first of all, you need the student book, Focus, and the workbook. And of course, the copybook. It can be 300 or 400 pages, not a problem. Now let's watch the video to see how to prepare the notebook. So we need to split the notebook into two parts. Go right from the middle and split it into two parts. It's an easy way. Fold the paper to mark the parts. Now that the second part is ready, we go to the first part. We leave the first page and we take the second paper and we fold it also to name the first part. Paper number 2. You fold the paper number 2. Now it's quite ready. You have two parts, the first part for the lessons and the second part for the exercises. Okay, now let's take a marker and try to write the name of the part. So the first part is for lessons. Of course, you can write with a pen and then repeat with the marker. Now part 1 is ready. Let's go to name the second part. So we do the same thing with the second part. Part number 2 is for the exercises. Now it's the turn of the first page. It's like the idea of the copybook. We're gonna write the name, class, etc. Just follow till the end. you write your first name and the family name. Don't forget to specify your class, whether it is speak, general or professional. We can also use the last page to write some new vocabulary and to mark the homework. So we can take the last page, you split it into two using a ruler and a pen. You make one side for the new vocabulary and the other side to mark the homework. Whenever I give you homework, you write the number of the exercise and the page of the workbook or the book. Here on this side, whenever you learn a new word, you can write it down and you translate it either in French or Arabic, as you like. For example, let's take the word interaction. So interaction, you write it and you can translate it into Arabic or French. In French, it's interaction, participation. In Arabic, تفاعل أو مشاركة. And here you mark the homework. It's easy, isn't it? So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.